In this episode, we will explain how to use Seedance 2.0 to generate videos with real human likeness. When we use real or realistic human likenesses for video generation, we need to go through a filing process. As you can see, there is a filing icon above every image node. It is important to note that the requirement is not only to file the character design images, but to file all reference images used for video generation. Therefore, do not file the design images too early. Instead, wait until all reference images are ready before video generation, and then file the images that contain real human likenesses. Take this node as an example. For any image connected to the video generation node, if it contains a real human likeness, it needs to be filed. If it does not contain a real human likeness, filing is not required. If there are multiple reference photos of real people, each image needs to be filed separately. Or, we can just file the whole batch together as a group. Note that once a successfully filed image is downloaded to your local device and then re-uploaded to the canvas, the filing will become invalid. After successful filing, the icon on the image node will turn green, and then you can click the video node to start generation.